So here it is, our project is ready on Dussehra. Now as you all can see that I have used glitter pens in the project, but if you all don't have glitter pens, you can use sketch pens also. The idea was to use all the 9 colors of Navratri. Like the background I have done in yellow color, then the green color and the orange color I have used in the garland. The white color I have put the rangoli and a swastik design over here. In the red color is the title and as to why it is celebrated. Green color I have used to tell like what we do on that day, and the final message of Dussehra I have written in the purple color. Also the images I have provided in the description box, so you all can download and use those in your project. So now let's see how to tell a child. So Dussehra is an Indian festival. It is also called Vijayadashmi. It is celebrated on 10th day after Navratri. Now why we celebrate Dussehra? It was on this day that Lord Rama killed Ravana after a long battle because he had abducted his wife Sita. Then it was also on this day that goddess Durga killed Mahishasura, a buffalo-headed cruel demon, and saved the people from his rule. Then coming to the next part as to how it is celebrated. So it is celebrated differently in different parts of the country. Now over here, if a child is familiar with the north, south, west and east direction, it is good. If not, you can just say that in some parts of the country it is celebrated as Ram Leela, in some parts Durga Puja, in some parts Dandiya, and so on. So here in North India during Navratri, Ram Leela is organized. Now here you can tell a child Ram Leela is the play wherein the life of Lord Rama is shown. So on the 10th day, huge effigies of Ravan, his son Meghnad and brother Kumbhakaran are burnt. They are filled with firecrackers and burnt, and hence it gives us the message of victory of good over evil. Now in eastern parts of the country, it is called as Durga Puja. So here big idols of goddess Durga are decorated and worshipped, and on the 10th day these idols are immersed in rivers or oceans. Then in the western parts of the country, the festival is celebrated with Dandiya or Garba, which is a folk dance of Gujarat. In southern parts of the country, goddess Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati are worshipped. Now during this festival, the idols of gods and goddesses are decorated and kept on artificial staircase. So this display is called as Golu. So over here I have given as to what we do on that day. Now it can be different from places to places. So what is done at your place, you can write it down over here. So on this day, houses are cleaned, Toran is put at the entrance, Rangoli is drawn, then the tools of daily needs are worshipped. Now the farmer will worship his plow and the tractor, also the animals. Doctors will worship their stethoscope or the machinery which they use. Soldiers will worship their weapons. Students will worship books, slate and pen, which is considered as their weapon. Also on this day, people give the leaves of apta tree, which is considered as gold, to family and friends. Hence, Dussehra is an auspicious festival which teaches us there will always be victory of good over evil. Thank you. So this was the project about Dussehra. Do let me know in the comment box about the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Do share the project and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing out. Happy Dussehra and happy growing up with your loved ones.